Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the motherboard. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to put at this machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so that this glue become white, because this one is a glass. You have to very be careful you don't crack it. If you have the heater at home, you just put water inside the pot, put on top the gas. When the water is boiled, just put something like metal, just cover on top so that the metal will become hot. Then you put the phone there. At least it will become hot so you can open it. Okay. Then after you do it, if you have a pencil, just try to make a bit way for the rubber to go in. Don't use the pencil to open it full so you don't break the glass. Okay. Then from there you can use the rubber like this, something soft. Just put it inside there and just try to open it right round. Open it right round like this. Okay. Make sure you hit it so you don't break the glass. Okay. Open it right round slowly. Okay. You remove this back cover. Okay. You remove this one. Remove the fingerprint. Put it one side. Okay. There's so many screw back of this phone. You need to take out all the screw, because you are going to remove the motherboard and replace another motherboard. So take out all the screw back of the phone. So many screw. You make sure you remove all the screw. After you remove all the screw, okay, now you need to remove the panel. Remove this magnet charger first. Place it up with this cover like this. Okay, disconnect the battery. Okay, and remove this one. Okay, remove the ringer down also. Okay, now you disconnect the LCD cable from here. Okay, now you need to disconnect this network cable. This one, you remove them. Be careful you don't spoil them. Okay, just open it like this very slowly. Okay, and now you need to take out this one also. Connector is here. Okay, then now you need to remove the SIM tray. It's up here. Remove the SIM tray. Take out the SIM tray. Okay, now you need to remove this camera also. Front camera. Just sit up like this a bit. Okay, you try to remove the motherboard. Sit up a bit. Don't force to sit up. Just do it slowly so you don't spoil anything. Okay, just open it like this. Okay, there's a connector here, goes to the charging system. Okay, you need to open this one also. You just use the pencil, just don't choke it, but just hold it to support the connector to go down. You just make it like this and remove the motherboard like this. Okay, this connector needs to connect this side. Okay, you put everything there like this. Okay, okay, now it's time to fix the new motherboard. Okay, you have to take out the camera from this side, disconnect the camera, this connector, remove it. Okay, you push the camera from out, you just push it at the back like this. Take out. Be careful for the rubber also. Remove with the rubber all. There's a glue on it. Just be careful. Just open with the glue rubber. Take it out like this. Okay, you fix it here. Make sure you fix it very nice and connect the connector here. Okay, fix the connector very nice like this. Okay, after you fix the camera, very nice. Okay, now you need to fix the motherboard. So you fix the front camera first, inside very nice like this. Make sure you inside very nice. Okay, okay, now you need to take the motherboard to put inside. Okay, make sure the motherboard is inside first, very straight, before you fix the press the down to connect to the charging system connector. Okay, make sure all this cable is up, the battery cable is up like this. Okay, make sure all the connector is up, the front camera connector also supposed to be up, is here. Okay, make sure the motherboard rests first inside very nice like this. Okay, make sure it's very straight. Connect this connector here, connect the front camera on, very nice. Don't connect the battery yet, leave it first. Okay, then you come down here. Before you press this motherboard to the charging system connector, make sure you pass this cable down first. The blue one's supposed to be down. It's supposed to be under the motherboard like this, and this one too is supposed to be up here, the white one supposed to be on top, the blue one. Make sure they go under the motherboard like this first. Okay, all right, they're supposed to be inside very well. The blue one's supposed to be down very well like this, so that the motherboard will become very straight before you press into the charging system connector. Okay, okay, when the motherboard is very straight like this, see that the screw or everything very straight, then you try to fix the motherboard, the connector. You see the sound already fixed very nice inside there. Okay, now you fix the LCD connector, very nice. You hear the sound also already fixed. Okay, now you need to fix the network cable. Make sure you fix it very nice so that the phone will get network. Connect it like this. You hear the sound already connect very nice also, and this one also the same thing. Okay, connect very nice. After you connect everything, you see that everything already connect very nice. Then you connect the battery now. Battery is the last one you need to connect. Okay, now you need to replace everything back. You take out, you fix the ringer. Okay, after you fix the ringer, then you fix this cover here. Okay, then you fix this other cover also. Okay, all this cover have clip all over. Okay, after I fix all this one, I need to replace all the screws. So many screws. Make sure you replace all the screw. Don't leave any screw. Make sure you replace all the screw take out. Okay, so many screw back of this phone. Make sure you replace all the screw. Okay, after you replace all the screw, okay, now you need to fix the fingerprint cable. Connect it very nice, and put this cover also. It's like very nice. Then I put the glue right around the phone. Don't put on top of the screw, just put it right around like this, very straight. Put it right around the phone, very nice. Okay, after I put the glue right around the phone, okay, now I put the cover, put it very straight, don't bend it. Okay, then if you have a rubber like this, you can use this rubber at least for 30 minutes so your glue become dry. If you don't have the rubber, you can still use a selective there at least for 30 minutes so your glue become dry. Make sure you put the cover very straight. Okay, put here also, and put at the top here also. Okay, you don't forget put back the SIM tray. Okay, now you put the phone on charge because maybe long time you never use the phone, the battery is low. You put it on charge and see if the battery logo will show. Put the phone on charge. Okay, as you can see, the battery logo already show. It's trying to charge now. That will show that the motherboard is okay. It's about 1%. Now you can on the phone and see if the phone on. Okay, on the phone. Now the phone on, you can see the logo already show. LCD is okay, motherboard is okay. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.